Alright, so we're about to hop on a plane. We're going to North Carolina. I found a Boost Blue Civic Type R at MSRP. My buddy Derek is here to pick me up. We're going to fly up there, go get the car. Hopefully everything is good to go. And we'll be driving back a Boost Blue Type R this morning. There they are. Too early.
Turn left to I-275 South, St. Petersburg.
So we just landed in Fayetteville. The guys at Honda were nice enough to offer us a ride. It's about a 20-minute drive, so saves us an Uber trip. We're looking for him now. He should be here any minute, and then we'll be on our way to the dealership. Josh?
Yeah.
What's up, man?
What's up, man?
How's it going?
I'm doing great.
Got you on video.
Alright, great. How are you from Tampa? You in Tampa?
We're in Tampa.
Yeah. What's up, dude?
How's it going,
What's
man?
on, How you doing
Thank
today?
This one here, buyer signs and buyer signs.
You're good to go. Be safe. Congratulations, alright?
So just like the rest of our experience with Honda, they were very accommodating and let us use their showroom to apply our PPF for the trip back home. We had about 600 miles to get the car back to Florida, so we didn't want to take any chances of getting any rock chips. That way when we get it back here, we can have a perfect PPF install without any blemishes on the paint. It takes Ryan 2 full days to do these. We did this in 1 hour. It looks perfect. Bottom of the doors, rear arches, wing tips, flares. Pillars and mirrors. So we should be good. Hopefully none of it flies off.
You good? Come on now. This is my first time in a Type R. Alright, do you want your doors to lock when they get to a certain speed or not at all? Anything out of here?
Nope, we're all good. Except for my keys. Gotta get some chicken for the road. All right, so now we're on the road back to Florida. It's about an 8-hour drive. So let's see what kind of adventure we run into. Hopefully all the film doesn't just fly off on the interstate. Larry's Giant Sub. Let's see how much of our wrap's still on here. Good morning. We finally made it back to Tampa, back to my shop. So now I got a lot of work to do. Gotta get all this wrap off the front of the car, off the sides of the car. Good thing about the wrap was it protected it from the bugs as well, so really I only need to clean the windshield. And the rest of it should clean up pretty easily. I noticed in the sun the other day it needs a little bit of polishing work. It's got some like factory rotary. We'll get it cleaned up, get it polished, send it over next door to Ryan. We're doing a full car PPF wrap. We obviously will be coating it, and some other surprises coming in the future too.